Today Huawei finally starts rolling out Emui 10 update in Iran. Those who are waiting for it now are happy at the moment. Users of Huawei P30 Lite can improve to the new Emui model to get benefits of the contemporary features. Emui 10 is increasing for the distinctive smartphones around the world, and this trendy version of Emui now reached Lite version Huawei P30 series, and now it's far rolling out in Iran too. The users who wish to update Emui 10 update in Iran should have update version Emui 9.1.0.327. That's it from this video. Keep visiting us for more updates. Till next video, take care guys, goodbye.